Welcome. If you're looking to report a group and block it on Pinterest using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to help you keep your Pinterest experience safe and enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu and find the Messages icon. Click on it to open up your messages. Now you'll see a list of your conversations. Find the group you want to report and click on it to open the chat. At the top of the group chat window, you'll notice 3 dots. This is your More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the Report option and select it. Pinterest will then ask you to choose the reason why you're reporting this group. Take a moment to pick the purpose that best fits your situation. After you've selected your reason, click Next to continue. Here's an important step. You'll see an option to block the group as well. Make sure to check the Block option if you want to prevent any further contact from this group. Once you've checked the Block option, Pinterest will ask you to confirm your choice. Double-check everything, and when you're ready, confirm the step. That's it. You've successfully reported and blocked the group on Pinterest. Reporting and blocking helps keep Pinterest a positive place for everyone. If you ever feel uncomfortable or notice any suspicious activity, don't hesitate to use these tools. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.